Chemistry is very, very important for us to survive as human beings in life. But at the same time, chemical processes also affects human being and the environment adversely. There are some chemical processes that harm the environment. Example, pollution. When chemical waste from oil industries, like we have in the Niger Delta, when these wastes are discharged inappropriately, maybe through gas flaring or discharged due to pipeline being damaged, this can cause very, very harmful effect to the environment. When there is oil spillage, the chemicals in the oil are not very friendly to the animals or animals that are in the water. The aquatic life are adversely affected. Also, when you do oil flaring, gas flaring, these gases that are discharged into the atmosphere are not very good to the environment. If you go to some states, you find out that people are taking cocaine, morphine, and heroin. Youths are addicted to this and they continue to take it, and it's not good to their health. That is abuse of chemistry, and it's also called drug abuse specifically. Also, corrosion of iron makes the iron not to be glittery and to look good the way we would have wanted it to, or the way we would have wanted to be looking. All these are adverse effects of chemistry, and they need to be checked. In order to check drug abuse, government has to bring out strict laws in the manufacture and transportation of these drugs that are not good, just like cocaine, morphine, or heroin. There has to also be strict laws on gas flaring. Chemical waste from oil industries has to be discharged in the proper way. There has to be good education to the youths so that they will know how to use drugs. And corrosion can also be prevented by using alloy and cathodic protection. So, as a way of the adverse effects of chemistry are corrosion of iron, rusting in the presence of water and oxygen. For rusting to take place, there has to be water and oxygen. And this corrosion of iron can be prevented by alloying, coating, cathodic protection, and use of sacrificial metal. Pollution, which is caused by chemical waste from factories and oil refineries. They actually pollute the environment and harm living things. How do we check this? By having or doing safe discharge of this waste and treating them actually before you discharge. If you treat the waste before you discharge into the water bodies, they will be less harmful or even non-harmful. Drug abuse, when people are addicted to drugs like heroin, cocaine, morphine, it can damage their health. And this drug abuse is very, very dangerous to human life. And for us to check this, we need strict laws, and we need to educate the people that are taking it that it is not good for them. So you see these three adverse effects of chemistry, and you see how to prevent them or check them attached to them. So WAEC may ask you such questions. How do we take care of corrosion? By alloying, coating, cathodic protection, and use of sacrificial metal. How do we take care of pollution? By making sure that the waste are safely discharged and treated before discharging. How do we take care of drug abuse? By enacting strict laws and also educating the populace. So that is the adverse effects of chemistry and how they can be controlled or checked.